So with the release of WatchOS 7 and the brand new Apple Watch Series 6, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn your Apple Watch Series 4 or Series 5 into the brand new Apple Watch Series 6. But first things first, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button with notifications on, and as well as comment down below if you picked up the brand new Apple Watch and drop a like on this video. Now first things first, Apple has introduced brand new Apple Watch bands. Getting those bands make you feel like you have the new Apple Watch basically. So this is the braided loop, and we're going to take a look inside. So it went through FedEx. This is how the packaging is going to look if you order through apple.com. So yeah, so you know you're going to get a good presentation here. So we're going to pull this. And yeah, so I picked up the blue one. At first, I wasn't sure which one to get. It was either between the blue or the green. And it made sense. Getting the blue is going to match with your brand new iPhone 12 coming out next month, possibly. This is $100, so that's why I didn't want to get both the colors. Too expensive and too much tech going on. So yeah, I just picked up one just to check out. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Alright, it shows you your instructions. Now this is a size 6. I feel like I made a mistake. I should have got a smaller size than that, because once they start stretching and stretching and stretching, it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger throughout time. So get the smallest size as possible. Wow, this blue looks so clean. Just like the new Apple Watches, getting this new braided loop is definitely going to make it look like it's the new Apple Watch. And it's stretchy. And by the way, this is the Series 5. And I do have WatchOS 7 installed, so we're going to talk about that in a little bit. And that's one of my favorite things about Apple Watches. It's very easy to take on and off the bands, and it just clips right on. And since this is a loop, a solar loop, you just got to put it on your wrist. So in my case, you just see, so it's a little, so you see what I mean? It's a little, it could be a little bit more snug. Maybe I might make an exchange and get a smaller size, but shipping times is just incredibly long. But I do like this color a lot. I'm happy I went with this. Now, another way to turn your old Apple Watch into the new Apple Watch, and this is a big deal, are these bumpers. Now, this bumper here, I covered this last year. I just love these so much. It's just amazing. You could change the chassis of your Apple Watch, and if you want to install this bumper, you just put it on. All right, make sure the crown is aligned with the cutout. Okay, and yeah, it's right on. So now it looks like the brand new Apple Watch. So it's all red. It still doesn't look cheap at all, and it's gonna match your iPhone basically 1-to-1. Now I did want to get the red braided solar loop, but it's not available. It's coming soon. That's unfortunate, but hey, this looks like the new Apple Watch. You get what I'm saying? It looks just like the Series 6. Also, if you're not a fan of that and you want a little bit more customization, so the Rhinioshield bumpers, you can actually change the rims of it. Put on a gray rim, you can get red on red, you can get a white rim. And yeah, so customization options are just limitless. So even if you get the Series 6, you don't have to get the same chassis, you get what I'm saying, every time. So it's like you could change the styles without actually getting another Apple Watch or something, so to speak. But I like the other one is better. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I like this one better. It's thin. It's not as bulky. But the Rhinioshield one is more protective because it protects the screens. It has a lip. Now, taking it a step further, you have these gold cases too, or these gold bumpers. So if you're going out fancy, you're suit out, you're balling out, you don't want no aluminum Apple Watch going on, but you don't want to spend the gold price. So look at this, guys. This looks so sick, man. And then you combine that with this Apple Watch band. This is clean. I'm telling you guys, I have a good taste of style, man. I'm telling you guys, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. So now you're not looking like, oh, I got the aluminum, I'm boring. Now you have a little style to it. Now there's a little flavor. I'm about to pick up another set because I actually lost the other colors. So they have a silver one, they have a navy blue one. They have so many different colors of these bands. And look at this, you have the rose gold one. Apple don't even sell this kind of rose gold no more. This was found on the Apple Watch Edition, the first generation Apple Watch, for like $14,000 or something like that. But now you can bring it back in style, and you combine that with this watch band. This is so clean. You got the pink band with the rose goldness going on. And even the tip. Look at the tip. The tip of this matches perfect. It's 1-to-1. And by the way, they different brands. It just happened to match. I literally just turned my $400 Apple Watch into the $10,000 Apple Watch edition. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think. But yeah, this is so sick, yo. We know we're gonna let this band rock out. Alright, so the last thing I would say is updating your watch to WatchOS 7. So now you're getting all of the features such as the brand new watch faces. This is a new one. I forgot the name of this one. This one here is GMT. And you have all of the new ones. So you have Chronograph Pro. You have Stripes. So yeah, you have all of the brand new watch faces right here on your Apple Watch. So you're not out the loop. You have everything in the scoop. And also, I like the wash your hands feature. It's coming really handy. Now, in order for you to enable the wash hands feature, you have to configure it into the preferences. So you go into the settings, you have to go into hand washing, and then you have to turn it on. So you have to have it enabled in order for you to just start using it right away. So let's say you go all the way on top of your notifications. Now you have a clear all button on the top. So that's completely new on WatchOS 7. Apple has disabled force touch. So now it's just a long press to be able to share your watch faces, which is another new feature. And if you want to customize the way how your watch looks. Now, since Apple did that, it's a little different to interact with your Apple Watch. So now if you want to change it into the grid, you can't press and hold no more, which is unfortunate because I'm so used to doing that and changing back and forth. Can't do that. So now you have to go into the settings, and then you got to go all the way down until you see app view, and then now you can change it into the list view. I'm definitely gonna miss force touch. If you use the calendar app, you can't no longer 3D press or force touch, so you have to go into the settings, and then you go into calendar, and then here you are. So you can change it there. You have your up next, your list view, and your day, just like that. So, and you could go back just like so. It is a little tedious because you gotta have to constantly going back and forth to the settings. So I wish Apple would have just kept 3D touch on the Apple Watches. So this is the sleep tracking. Honestly, I didn't even use this yet. So yeah, so that's how you turn your old Apple Watch into the brand new Apple Watch Series 6. Yes, you are missing the blood oxygen feature, but I'm just talking about in terms of looks. I'm talking about in terms of looks. Now you're looking like you have the Series 6. If you combine with the red or the blue, which I can't find the blue. So other than that, this video is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on, and follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at SimplyPops. Stay simple, guys, and stay safe. Peace out.